Hey Things, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Things.com. In today's video, real quick, I want to show you an exciting type of gig on Upwork that you could pursue as a freelance coder on Upwork. And yeah, I just found this like as a process. So while I'm writing or co-authoring the book Python Dash that will appear with no starch press in like August 2022, so probably earlier, but yeah, like our target is August. So we are writing a book about using Python to create dashboard applications. What are dashboard applications? Dashboard applications are applications that actually help you visualize data, for example, dynamic data sets or even sometimes static data sets connected to some APIs, for example, financial data, or like, for example, factory data to supervise a factory, or some kind of like control system, right? So each time you need to control a system, for example, a car, you need to drive a car, you have dashboards. Like dashboards are some control units and data visualization units that actually help you control and supervise a system. And dashboard applications these days explode in popularity. For example, if you see like in the web space, we have dashboard applications for Google Analytics or dashboard applications for website traffic, Google dashboard applications for sales. So for example, if you have a software as a service applications, you often have like how many sales you did in what amount of time. You have like there millions of ways, for example, on Amazon, or if you're an affiliate marketer or anything, like in a whole e-commerce sector, dashboards are very, very popular, and even so popular that Google has created their own a tool, Google Data Studio Expert, to actually Google Data Studio to actually create dashboard applications. And many freelancers, like this freelancer Zachary C from the United States, makes $185 per hour with a very high job success rate of 100%, and he's a top-rated freelancer, right? And you see, like, there's a huge business reason to create those dashboard applications. All businesses these days have dashboards to supervise and control their operations, and that's why for you as a developer, being able to create those dashboards using like some third-party tools such as Python Dash, again, like that we actually present in our new book, or tools such as Google Data Studio. If you can like focus on one tool or learn a couple of tools, you can actually create massive value for your customers, and you will get paid accordingly, right? This freelancer from Armenia makes $40 per hour, and this is like $40 per hour for an Armenian-based freelancer is more than enough. So he probably lives like a king in Armenia, right? Because living expenses are really low in Armenia. Here we have another freelancer making $70 per hour, $30 per hour, and remember, I haven't actually searched for, I haven't applied any filter to this, right? So this is just the raw average income of dashboard developers who make between, like, I would say on the low side we have $30 per hour, which is really like a low side. On the high side we have $180 per hour. I think as an average freelancer you can expect to make maybe $60-70 per hour as creating your own dashboard applications for customers on Upwork. So I think this is really exciting. So I will leave a link in the description below. I mean, we are I co-authored this book Python Dash with Adam. Adam is YouTube channel CharmingData. He's growing rapidly these days. He's an awesome guy. You should actually check out his YouTube channel. He's really a great guy, and he is the expert on Plotly Dash, I would say. And he's like the first author of the book, and you should definitely check it out. So he has a lot of knowledge, and will explain you all the things. And actually, Anne-Marie Ward, who's also co-author of the book, she is also like very sophisticated in dashboard applications. She has created a couple of dashboard applications herself that are super useful and super exciting. So she's also one of the world's expert, I would say, in Plotly Dash. So I've co-authored this book with those two awesome people, and you can definitely check it out. Otherwise, I mean, there are so many opportunities. You could just go to Upwork, offer your skills there and learn one tool, learn it well. You can just read the documentation if you don't want to spend like a couple of bucks on a book. You can learn it for free on YouTube. You can check out the CharmingData channel from Adam. He has a lot of free YouTube content on the topic. And we even like weird things that we have a couple of dashboard creation tutorials. So you can I will leave a link in the description below, maybe a link to a blog post about how to create your first dashboard applications, dashboard application using Python. It is such an exciting industry. I think the opportunity is huge and the value proposition is obvious. And I just wanted to share this niche with you. So definitely check it out. Also, give me a like and subscribe if you enjoy those type of videos. So with those videos, daily videos, I try to like update you on some important trends and opportunities in the freelancing space. As a coder, obviously everything is tailored towards coding on our channel. So give me a like, subscribe if you enjoy the content, if you want to learn more about it, or if you want to support us. I really appreciate having you. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch the whole video. And thanks for being an active part of the Finster community. Bye.